Okay, we're back again. Okay, every little doggy's back again too. All right, come on. Jump! Well, jump, dummy, jump! Get in the boat, we're sinking. Okay, come on. Okay. There we go. What are you huffing and puffing for? You just got here. Okay. Well, this is one of the weirdest stories I've ever seen. I got the Zenith Royal 1000. I bought that on eBay. It got shipped on FedEx. I noticed September 10th. It was in Sacramento. That's 2 hours away from here. 2 hours from here, from Sacramento to Reno. That's about all it is. Maybe 2.5 hours, tops. Okay, so I checked FedEx today. Figure, okay, they're not going to deliver on a Sunday anyway. So I check, and I look, and it says, no delivery instructions available, and it is now in Missouri. I said, how the heck can it get from Sacramento to Missouri? It was only 2 hours from here. And then there's another second notation that said, what was it? It said, label was unreadable, had to put new label on package. I said, holy cow. I said, I wonder where the heck it's going. Because, like I said, it was like 2 hours away from my house, or maybe 2.5 hours. And then it ends up halfway across the country 2 days later. I mean, that's stupid. I've never heard anything like that before. I mean, I've never heard of FedEx delivering backwards. They're already out here on the West Coast and then turn around and go back east. I mean, it doesn't make sense. So I don't know if I'm ever going to get that radio. If it ever does show up, it's going to be probably another week or so before they figure out where it's at. Or it may be just totally lost and that's it. I don't know. I'll have to get a refund. But yeah, go figure. So then on top of that, I have put the switch back together. This is a 1939 radio, and it does work. And it works fine. And that's switch and volume control. Works perfectly. I checked my meter, everything's fine. So I guess putting in my cleaner over there did work. The ultrasonic cleaner, I guess that does work pretty well for getting rid of whatever junk was in it. Because I looked at it afterwards. I probably should have done a video on that too, and showed that it did get a lot of stuff out of it, and it was kind of black, so it pretty much looked like it was carbon. So I think my initial idea was correct. Somehow it got some carbon in there from arcing over, and it just made it worse. It kept getting worse all the time, every time it got turned on. So that was that. And then, let's see, what else was it? What else we got? Oh yeah, I have, tomorrow I have to go to my oncologist tomorrow to find out what kind of condition I'm in. I had another blood test. They did botch up one part of it, the part that's supposed to get my white cell count, but they said, oh, well, you can come down and redo it. No, I'm not going to go down and redo it. If they want it, he wants to get it redone, he can do it over his lab over there. I won't bother over here, but most of the other tests were done already, so if that doesn't tell them enough, big deal. Other than that, I still feel fine. I mean, occasionally I may get tired, but it's not like really tired that I can't do anything. I mowed my front lawn, back lawn, everything, do all that sort of yard work and everything else. And even yesterday I mowed it when, because of the fires in California, our air quality was at 124, which is super unhealthy, and you're not supposed to go out and work in it, and I did. I mowed my lawn in it, so. And I never had any trouble either. Never had trouble breathing or anything else, so. Yeah, so like I said, I don't know. I don't know what they're looking for. I think they're just clutching at straws. They see that, yeah, true, there's some readings on there, like I think it was called BUN is what it's called, one of them. And that, what that does is it tells you how good your kidneys are working or if they're being affected somehow. And they said the normal is like 22, mine is like 31. So mine's a little above what the normal range is, which is, you know, neither here nor there. I said, yeah, it could even be, you know, since it's been in the 90s, I mean, getting dehydrated and I'm probably not drinking enough water. That's probably another problem. So my kidneys are not working as much as they used to. Oh my God, it kills me every time he does that. It scratches my leg. Where do you think you're going? Oh, no, you're not going anywhere. I'm not done yet. So anyway, the other thing I'm doing is, I'm still working on this 1939 radio. Yes, indeed, I still am. And today, actually I changed the electrolytics. I cut the other old one out of the way. Actually, I did cut them off. I left two there because it looks like both of them are basically grounded. I don't know what's going on there. So anyhow, I'm going to replace two. I should have replaced three of them, but I believe it's still going to work anyway. Well, we'll see how it works. Let me go turn the power on. And my power is ticking down on my camera too, so I may not be able to make it through all this. I don't know. So, let's see if we have any arky sparkies. Of course, that's volume all the way, so see what happened. Well, I don't know what band it's in either. I haven't restrung the... Did hook up the antenna. I thought there was something there. Come on, you. Something there. Well, like I said, I don't even know which band I'm in. I don't know. See how tone drops off when you go to a... And that's not, I don't think, that's not the tone control. Well, anyway, we'll see. It's making noise though, so it's better than it was before. I couldn't get anything out of it before. So, and this band switch, I don't know if it's even turning. Hold on. Let's see, where's my little... I think I buried it. Oh yeah, there it is. Whoop. Hold despair on me here. Let's see if this will work, I don't know. Yeah, see the knob, yeah, that knob's just slipping. So, let's see. No, it's all right, switching. Well, anyway, let's see. It could be way off too, alignment-wise, I don't know. Really haven't done anything with it. I don't know the push button to tell you the truth. Okay, well, anyway, I'm getting some noise out of it. More than I had before, I'll tell you that much. So, something's happening. Oop. All right, well, anyway, there it is. We're going to get something done here eventually. I still got some more work to do on it, but we'll get there. And now I know the speaker's okay, because I thought before the speaker was dead, and it's not. So, anyhow, so the coil is fine. Everything, voice coil, all that stuff. So, anyway, that's going to be it for now. Talk to you guys.